Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you all, and hi brainies, hope all of you are doing good. Today's video is a travel vlog. As we are having school holidays, my parents decided to visit the Mercato Mall. Watch the entire video to learn more about the exciting happenings at the mall this summer. The Mercato Mall is situated on the Jumeirah Beach Road in Jumeirah 1. It is a beautiful mall and it is popular for its upscale atmosphere and laid back in the Mediterranean vibe. The Mercato Mall is famous for its pastel painted Italian style design too. Do you know this summer they have transformed an escalator into a slide and it is totally free for everyone. Me and Nanga wanted to go on the slide, so we went up with Mama. The uncles there told us that we need to wear socks to go on the slide. Both me and Nanga were not wearing any socks, we just had our shoes on. So we had to go down again to buy some socks. Then Dada quickly went and bought us some socks, so we wore the socks and went up again. Quickly went and bought us some socks. So we wore the socks and went up again. They told us Nanga was small. She has to slide down with an adult. So Mama had to join in. First Mama and Nanga slid down. After that I slid down. It was fun. Nanga wanted to go again, so she went with my uncle. After that, it was almost time for lunch, so we went to the food court and had lunch. After lunch, we walked around the mall. The mall was mesmerizing. Mercato comes from the Italian word meaning market. The mall is designed to look like a Mediterranean town during the European Renaissance in Italy. Then we saw these live sketches and their beautiful paintings too. Do you know they also have a free circus show for all the visitors at the mall this summer? They have specific timings in which the circus commences. We enjoyed the circus a lot. At last, we visited H&M to purchase some tops. After that, we came home. That's the end of our video. We hope that you enjoyed this video. See you soon inshallah. Bye.